welcome to a Halloween edition of Installing OSs. There will be pretty much nothing different for this Halloween edition of Installing OSs, except we're installing Kali Linux, which is an operating system that's associated with hackers and computer security specialists. Alright, let's do an install. Let's try a graphical install. And we have our OS. It's a bit odd, the UI, but this is about the installing of OS. Very cool how it's set up. So with that, thank you for watching another episode of Installing OSs, where we installed Kali Linux.